All right, let's figure out how to do this problem. So the first thing I wrote down is we have 35 students, 3 hours, and we know that this teacher is able to grade 5 papers in 30 minutes. So I want to break it all down into minutes and think about how many minutes make up an hour. You might be thinking, wait, Mr. Jordan, why do I do that? Right? My thought process is, I want to get it into an easy way to convert that makes sense to me, right? Minutes easily go into an hour, and I compare the hours and figure out what percentage she needs to grade faster. So let's figure out how many papers she can grade in an hour for her first section. So if it's 5 papers in 30 minutes, we know 30 and 30 makes 1 hour. So that means she has 10 papers in 1 hour. But now we have to think on the flip side. How fast is she going at this new rate? What's her change? So if she has 3 hours, she already spent 30 minutes of it. That means she has 2 hours and 30 minutes remaining. I'm going to change it all into minutes because that's what I started with here. So I'm going to say, all right, 2 hours is 60 minutes and 60 minutes, which is 120. Plus 30 minutes, which is 150 minutes. And she has 30 papers left to grade. Ooh. So I'm going to divide that to get a conversion. How many minutes does it take her to grade 1? So 150 divided by 30 gives me 5 minutes per paper. But how many papers is she able to do in an hour then, right? So I think, okay, 60 divided by 5 is 12. So at this new rate, she needs to grade 12 papers per hour as compared to 10. So we're almost there. We just need to figure out, okay, what percentage does she need to increase? We know she's at a 10 paper per hour rate. She needs to get to a 12 paper per hour rate. So they give us a bunch, right? So I think, okay, 10 times which percentage will give me a number that will add to 12. So I know 10 times 0.2 is 2 plus 10 gives me 12. So she needs to increase her pace at 20%. Hope that helps.